Hello, morning, evening, afternoon, whatever time it is you're watching this. Just want to say thank you for stopping by my page. Go by the name of Enlightened Mirage. We'll get into where that came from later, but go by the name of Enlightened Mirage. First and foremost, before getting anything, I want to throw a couple shout outs. One to my boy, The God Pigeon. His link will be at the end of this video and also down below. The beat you're hearing right now, and the beat you're going to hear at the end of the show today is his. Okay, it's one of his beats. So if you're looking up for somebody to do your beats, do some production for you, definitely check out my boy, The God Pigeon. Also, I want to send a special shout out to my boy, Ageless Poet. He's a spoken word artist, runs a organization called SWAG, Spoken Word Affecting Generation. He is out of Brooklyn, New York. Wonderful guy, very good friend of mine, like a brother to me. But he kind of put me up to finally starting to put some of my pieces out here on YouTube. I'm getting out a little bit more to, present what the word has for me, what these words mean to me. So I want to say shout out, appreciate Ageless, appreciate The God Pigeon. So without further ado, this first piece is going to be called Sore Throat. Alright, hope you all enjoy. Also, we're going to be doing this thing once a week here, so make sure you check back every Sunday if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to try to put these up every Sunday. If you hear the pups outside, forgive me, you know how the doggies can get sometimes. Gotta love them though. Alright, so let's get into this thing. Again, hope you all enjoy. Please feel free to comment, status, comments, questions, anything else, post it below. Love to get your feedback. Alright. Since I'm supposed to be a poet, they surmise this makes me weak. Meanwhile, I'm scribbling explosive jargon that will knock them off their feet. I am a man within this machine and a mere cog in this clock of time. But these people out here did some poetry about to make me step out of line. You see, a clock is like a fine-tuned machine, only working when all the cogs mush together perfectly. So with that being said, what do you think happens when these cogs start losing their heads? Now, we all know that time is of the essence and that we are the essence of time. But me sitting here listening to this new age rap is about to make me lose my mind. These cogs of broken clocks steady barking about Glocks and nines when all y'all really doing is making excuses to rewind time. Now, I understand it ain't pretty, these streets we live in today, but at one time or another, you gotta put them toys away. Now, I ain't come here to showboat, but riotous murmurs scratch my throat because each time another one of us dies, I choke. Making use of these everyday lies, I wasn't expecting these boys to become men overnight. I sure don't. Hence, I got this itch in my throat. You see, suppression over time causes explosions. And I'm sure y'all have all seen the History Channel. Ever heard of the Ring of Fire? Volcanic eruptions happening every 5 minutes. Just tick, 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 boom. Circling like the hands around a clock face. Just tick, 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 boom. Petty, insufferable excuses for manhood making me tick. Blatant excuses for poor parenting making me tick. Strapped up, slapped up, slinging an ish on my corner as I just you back up before this faith inside me acts up and I tick, 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 boom. And this explosion is the drama pounding, rat-a-tat-a, chopper, echo across your baseline. No, see, I keep hearing that we're going to run because your guns carry that baseline. But the one thing is, your gun can't carry my baseline. Only time. Oh, and by the way, instantaneous expressions of mock ego seem to be exuding from the minuscule apparition you are content to call your medulla oblongata, which merely means to show me that some men do, so I gotta continue to alliterate the established baseline of this language we call life. Because exponential growth is only condoned by time and through time, and once again, I choke. But in this rhyme, the poet becomes a man and the pen my mightiest sword. Anybody got a Ricola? Look, I found my issue. I was letting my throat get sore and allowing time to pass instead of allowing my voice to soar. So how about you drop that gat and go pick up your baby boy's bat? Go put down that 9 and start spending more time with your little girl. My breath is icy fresh and I'm about to put an end to this, man. See, I found my center. And the hands of time have allowed me the ability to use it. So as I resume my post within this wheel of time, I ask you, what is your center? Because until you find it, all I can say is, you're burning daylight, kid. Can't find what's lost if you don't stop looking. Alright, again, hope you all enjoyed. Again, shout out to my boy, The God Pigeon, and Ageless Poet. Helped me out and putting me up to this again. Look forward to your comments, questions, points of interest, anything like that you may drop below. Feel free to show love, and I will see you all again next week. Same time, same channel. I'll let you later.